In this video, I'm going to demonstrate widgets related to numeric fields. Let's go to the properties of our survey layer. Toggle on Editing and add a field. The first field that I'm going to add will be used to configure the Editable Range widget. I also create a second field which will be used to configure the range slider. Finally, I add a decimal field to demonstrate the effect of decimal data types on the behavior of the widgets. The widgets that I'm going to demonstrate will work on the data types integer, decimal or text. Make sure you choose the data type that you need for further use of the data. If your data type is text, the numbers will be stored as text. Now we go to the Attributes Form tab. Let's have a look at the widget type Range. I change the widget type to Range, and there I can choose between Editable, Slider and Dial. Dial is not supported by Mergin Maps. I'll first demonstrate Editable. Here you can set the minimum, maximum and step size, and I can define a suffix. Now let's check the result in Mergin Maps. With the minus and the plus we can change the values within the range that was set for the widget. So in this case also negative values are allowed. It shows the suffix apples. We can also type values. Because the data type is integer, it is not allowed to type decimal values. Now let's have a look at the Range Slider widget. Instead of Editable, I choose Slider. Here I'm going to use a range from 0 to 100 with step 1, and it can represent percentage, so I use suffix percentage. Now let's see how this looks like in Mergin Maps. In the Mergin Maps app you can now find the slider and you can see that it ranges from 0 to 100%. In the end of this video I want to demonstrate what happens if you use a decimal field. If you choose the Range widget type and the editable one, you can set the minimum and maximum value to decimals, but here you see the decimals disappear. The decimals are controlled by the precision. For the slider this works in the same way. Now let's have a look at how this works in Mergin Maps. Here you can see that Mergin Maps recognizes the decimal values. If I move the slider to the left, they get negative decimal. If I move it to the right, positive decimal.